পর পুলিশ সাহেব
हाँ।
সন্ধে 6টায় ঘর থেকে বের করে রাস্তায় নামিয়ে পুনরায় আমার ঘরে তালা মেরে দেয়। কিন্তু মালবিকা তার ঘরে, মালবিকা ইজ দি রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 6, মানে প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট, তার ঘরেই ছিল। পুলিশ স্যার সাথে করে আমাদের সবাইকে 58 গেট থানায় নিয়ে বসিয়ে রাখে 7:30 পর্যন্ত। আমার স্ত্রী জিডি করতে বলা হয়, তখন স্ত্রী জিডি করে এবং সেই জিডিটা নিয়ে শ্যামপুর থানায় পাঠিয়ে দেয়, লিখিত দরখাস্ত দিতে বলে দেয়। আমরা তাই করি, শ্যামপুর থানায় লিখিত দরখাস্ত জমা দিই। আমরা সেই সকাল 10:30 থেকে এখন রাত 11টা পর্যন্ত বাড়িতে ঢুকতে পারিনি। আর আমার ছেলে সামনে মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষা, টিউশন বন্ধ, পড়াশোনা বন্ধ। আমার অসুস্থ বাবা মা রাস্তায়। আমাদের ঘরে ঢোকার ব্যবস্থা করুন, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিন। Present, they are residing with their daughter and the 3 and 4 in his in-laws house. Well, the matter is relating to the private respondent number 6, Malad. I don't know whether the private respondents they have already received or not, Malad. On 20th, I am seeking leave from your lordship, and on the same date, I served upon them, Malad. But till date, Malad, in the uh,
Track report is not
that report,
available.
my lord, about the private respondent, my lord, it is indicated only item bagged, my lord,
When? Date?
on 21st,
21st.
before the Uluberia SO.
What is your grievance? Tell me once.
My lord, the grievances are, my lord, the petitioner numbers 1 and 2. They are the senior citizen, and petitioner number 3 and 4. They are the son and daughter-in-law of the petitioners, my lord. Petition number 1 and 2. My lord, the private respondent number 6. She is the younger daughter-in-law of the petitioner numbers 1 and 2. And she is the widow, my lord. At present, she is a widow, my lord. My lord, the dispute arises since after the death of the younger son of the petitioners, my lord. But immediately after the death of the younger son of the petitioners, my lord, the younger daughter-in-law, she claimed a portion of the property immediately to execute it or give it in her name. And from then, my lord, the dispute started between the petitioners and the private respondent. And my lord, on 16th of this month, my lord, that is on last Sunday, my lord, when both the petitioners number 1 and 2, they went to her daughter's house for their checkup, my lord. When the petitioner number 4, she resides in the house, the respondent number 6 kept her lock inside her room and asked her to call the both the petitioners, the from 1 to 3, and sign a give deed in favor of the petitioner and give in favor of the respondent number 6 and give her cash money. Not only the respondent number 6, some neighbors from their locality, my lord, they help the respondent number 6 to do all these things, my lord. In such situation, my lord, the petitioner number 4 over telephone called her husband, who is petitioner number 3 in this application, my lord. And when the husband came to her house, to his house, my lord, now they created email her father-in-law and mother-in-law and to execute a agreement in front of the respondent number 6 and the other neighbors, and to admit that or to promise that very soon they will give one of the portion of his house in favor of the respondent number 6. In such situation, in the presence of the officer in charge of Gorchumuk tourist outpost, my lord, the petitioner number 3, he was compelled to put a signature, my lord, where she made an announcement.
What do you want now?
My lord, at present, my lord, both the petitioners, they are ousted from their own house. And I don't know whether the till date, my lord, the FIR has been registered.
In whose favor is the structure or the
It is in
land
the name of the
recorded?
petitioner number 1, the father-in-law.
Father-in-law. Now, has the document been registered? No.
No, it is only an agreement, my lord. They have,
So by agreement, one cannot be ousted from the house.
yes. But in
Right?
the presence of the police authority, the police authority, he finally, he put the lock in the rooms of the petitioners, my lord.
Police put the lock.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the complaint?
Yes. My lord, kindly come to.
Is there any report, Mr. Sen?
Malad, so far the report, Malad, is a one-page report, Malad, that I have got. Malad, it does not appear that so far this type of complaint, Malad, it does not appear. It appears from the report is that on the basis of the complaint, sorry.
My lord, kindly come to page
On the
26.
basis of the complaint lodged by one of the petitioner,
Hmm.
now, Malad, the police, Malad, initiated and Malad, the FIR lodged at the first paragraph on 21st of June 2024. And on the basis of the complaint of another petitioner, my lord, there is my lord, the proceedings under 107 also, my lord, initiated. But I do not think, my lord, the complaint which is now, my lord, say that the police put a padlock. Police, my lord, এটা আপনার এখানে আছে কমপ্লেইন্টে আছে কোথায় আছে বলুন না দেখান আমাকে পেজ
26.
পেজ 26 এত কথা লিখলে কি করে বুঝো বলুন দেখিনি অনেক কথা লেখা হয়ে গেছে যে
আমরা কেন বুঝবো স্যার, লিখবে তো পুলিশ।
এত লিখে কোথায় লক কোথায় আছে পুলিশ লক করবে কেন তখন গিয়ে দেখি গেটে তালা বন্ধ
এই যে দেখুন,
গেটে তালা বন্ধ তালাটা কে দিল
সন্ধ্যায় রাস্তা পুলিশ সাহেব সন্ধ্যে 6টায়
ওই
ঘর থেকে
Which portion are you reading?
26
page 27.
Which portion?
My lord, from 1 2 3 4 5
Don't
6,
count,
7, 8.
just tell me.
My lord, 13 line from the top at page 27.
How does
Oh,
it start? How does the line start?
এরপর পুলিশ সাহেব line number 12, my lord, from the top at
Yes.
page 27.
Huh?
এরপর পুলিশ সাহেব
Huh?
সন্ধে 6টায় ঘর থেকে বের করে রাস্তায় নামিয়ে পুনরায় আমার ঘরে তালা মেরে দেয়, কিন্তু মালবিকা তার ঘরে, মালবিকা ইজ দি রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 6, মানে প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট, তার ঘরেই ছিল। পুলিশ স্যারের সাথে পুলিশ স্যার সাথে করে আমাদের সবাইকে 58 গেট থানায় নিয়ে বসিয়ে রাখে 7:30 পর্যন্ত। আমার স্ত্রী জিডি করতে বলা হয়, তখন স্ত্রী জিডি করে এবং সেই জিডিটা নিয়ে পাঠিয়ে দেয়, লিখিত দরখাস্ত দিতে বলে দেয়। আমরা তাই করি, শ্যামপুর থানায় লিখিত দরখাস্ত জমা দিই। আমরা সেই সকাল 10:30 থেকে এখন রাত 11টা পর্যন্ত বাড়িতে ঢুকতে পারিনি। আর আমার ছেলে সামনে মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষা, টিউশন বন্ধ, পড়াশোনা বন্ধ। আমার অসুস্থ বাবা মা রাস্তায়। আমাদের ঘরে ঢোকার ব্যবস্থা করুন, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিন।
Mr. Sen,
I have to
bring
take
a report.
instruction on this basis. Yes.
Yes, please
Malad,
come.
kindly indicate in my lord's order
Yes.
that a specific Malad instruction or report.
Heard
Madam,
submission
this should
made on behalf of the petitioners. Stop. Specific instruction shall be taken by the learned advocate representing the state respondents with regard to the allegation made by the petitioner Dipendu.
এটা
Yes, petitioner numbers 3 and 4
এটা
in the
করেছে
complaint lodged
16/6
before the officer in charge, Shampur Police Station. How was this page 26 served?
My lord, they have received it, but no stamp is there, my lord. Thereafter, through post, my lord,
Dated 16th of June
the
2024.
but I have annexed the postal receipts, my lord. It is at page 34, 35, and 36.
ঠিক আছে।
এইটাই
Let the matter appear in the list. Now, where are you? Outside?
এখন কোথায়
Yes,
এখনো
outside.
এখনো পাওয়া দেওয়া আছে
হ্যাঁ, আমরা এখন মানে the petitioners number 1 and 2, they are at present they are residing with their daughter, and the 3 and 4 in his in-laws house.
All 4 are outside.
Yes, ma'am, including the son, my lord.
Let the matter appear in the list on 28th of June, this Friday. Stop. Let a notice be served upon the non-appearing respondents intimating the next date of hearing.
Only notice,
Report
my lord.
filed by the Sub-Inspector of Police, Officer in charge, Shampur Police Station, Howrah within bracket Rural District, dated 24th of June 2024 be retained with the records.
No, my lord, so far no.
The concerned the officer in charge of the Shampur police station shall intimate the next date of hearing to the learned advocate representing the private respondents.
My lord.